We are going to, take off fully in the next 2 or 3 minutes. Our kickoff time is 2 p.m. Nigeria time. So wherever you are and you are expecting this live session, you need to join up now. This is Let's Talk Igbo Language Live. Here, we practice speaking Igbo language. We do Igbo language drill. We give opportunity to everybody interested in speaking or learning Igbo language from all across the world to join up while we speak Igbo language. Here, we drill ourselves, we learn, and we, educate others who are not up to our level to learn Igbo language. So wherever you are, and you are for this lesson, you are to join up now. Thank you, Faith Barbara. No, you are an early bird. Appreciate your coming on board. Happy New Year once again to you and to all my students all over the world, all our community members, wherever you are, and you are ready for this session. You are highly welcome. Happy New Year 2024 to you all. I believe that this year will bring great blessings and favors of the Almighty to all of us. So wherever you are, I'm expecting you to join up now. I'm already seeing Faith Barbara here. He has come up early enough to show her readiness for this lesson today. So where are the rest? Wherever you are, join up now. We did this last in November, sometime in December. We couldn't do, I think, 2 weeks to the end of December. We couldn't because of end of the year activities. So I'll be glad to welcome you all back to class and to this special session. It's always a pleasure being with you. So I'm expecting you to join up now. In 1 minute time, we should be kicking off fully. So wherever you are, join up. I want to say welcome to those of us who are here now. I can see some other people coming in now. So if you have just dropped in now, say ndewo to us, say something to us, let's know you are here. Say ndewo, say no, say Happy New Year, say onwu afọ ọhụụ, say ngozi afọ ọhụụ. Say something, let me know you are here. We just need to feel you. I can only see Faith Barbara's greetings. Where are the rest? Send in your greetings. Let's know you are here. Send it in Igbo, send it in English. Say Happy New Year. Say Onwu afọ ọhụụ. Say Ngozi afọ ọhụụ. Say Chineke gozie unu. Say Ndewo. Just say something. Say no munnem. Welcome my brothers and sisters. Just say something. We want to hear you. Want to recognize your presence here. So if you are already here, drop something to show us you are here. Want to mention your name. Want to recognize you. Want to welcome you back to 2024. A wonderful year indeed, when God is going to bless and do something great in our lives. So where are you? Join up now. Perhaps you're seeing me now speaking, and you're wondering, who is this person? This is the Igbo tutor. I am committed to teaching anyone who is interested Igbo language from all across the world. We have a YouTube channel, the Igbo tutor, wherein we have uploaded so many videos on Igbo lessons that are so educational, so rich, and so deep in the language. But we decided to include these live sessions based on requests of our students to avail them the opportunity to practice speaking Igbo, to test their level of progress and challenge them to learn more. So here we measure our progress in learning. Watching the videos are good, taking notes are fine, but being able to speak and interact or understand what someone else says is very important. So we measure our progress using this live session. So wherever you are, join up now. We are starting right away. This is 1 minute behind schedule. So we don't wish to keep anybody waiting because of those who might want to watch after the live session must have ended. They may want to watch this video later because it will be uploaded directly to our channel. So if you are here, please indicate you are here. While we start, Koki J, you are here. Dewo, Barbara, you are here. Dalo, where are the rest? Please indicate you are here. Drop something. Greetings, Happy New Year. Say something. Onwu afọ ọhụrụ, Ngozi afọ ọhụrụ, Ndewo no munnem. Just say something. Let's know you are here. While we kick off immediately, without wasting our time. So first of all, I want to welcome all of you back to year 2024. We thank God that we are all here again to continue learning Igbo language It's my pleasure to see as many of you as possible in class today, so that I'll be sure that you are all alive and you all made it to the new year 2024. So please, I will appreciate that as many of you as possible will join up, so that we can be sure you made it to this very new year. It's a welcome back lesson. It's a time of reuniting ourselves as members of the same community and family. So wherever you are now, please join up this live Igbo lesson, so that we'll continue where we stopped last year. This is the first lesson, the first meeting, the first gathering for the year 2024. So please join up now wherever you are. Let's do this together. This is the Igbo Tutor Live. Is this where we learn Igbo language, we challenge ourselves to learn Igbo language, to understand, to practice what we've learned over time. So if you are a friend of Igbo, married to Igbo person, you're a fiancé, or you are a business partner of Igbo people, you intend to do anything with Igbo, this is where to be right now. Okay, Igbo, you are welcome. There, okay, so this is where to be, so that you can actually reunite with your people, you learn Igbo, you expand your Igbo knowledge. So don't be left out. This is where it is happening, wherever you are, and you are seeing us here. This is where we gather together to challenge ourselves to learn Igbo language. So you don't be left out. This is the first session of this new year, and I appreciate as many people as possible to join us. First, for me to be sure you made it to the new year, and for me to be sure you are still interested in learning Igbo language, and we also appreciate and see ourselves once again. So those of you who are here, I appreciate you. Last year, I want to say Happy New Year to you once again. On for 2024. Let's pick up from where we stopped last year. Last year, we were doing drills on Igbo verbs and common short sentences using Igbo verbs. Before the end of last year, in the last lesson, we were pursuing 100 Igbo verbs and simple sentences with the Igbo verbs. It's a kind of a replica of the video we already have in our channel. We're trying to practice and be sure we understood that video and we're able to make use of it accordingly. So before we stopped our lessons last year to engage in end of the year activities, we had lessons going on, picking it until we got to number 70 something. And the last word we dealt with last year is makwo, which is embrace. That is the last verb we dealt with last year, if you are following through. So today, okay, Jenem, you are here and there. Adam busy ma na mga negenti, okay. Igbo said there, onye kuzim. Igbo, your English, your word is not complete. It's onye kuzim. It's not nkuzim. Onye nkuzim. Okay, so there, onye nkuzim, my teacher, not nkuzim. Nkuzim is my teaching, not my teacher, but Onye is a person. So it's Onye Nkuzim. Okay, Koki J, thank you very much for being here. So, Faith Barbara, thank you. Some other people have joined. We're up to 6 or thereabout here now. So if you have joined and we have not mentioned your name, please drop a greeting. Say nde, we'll say on one for say something. Say no. Let's be sure you are here. Let's pick your name and let's appreciate you for coming on board and thank God that you made it to 2024. So we continue today. Please, you have to also give this video a thumbs up from under the video window. See the like button. Please give it a like so that YouTube can push it to more people to join us as we all go on. So if you are seeing us now, before we start fully, wherever you are seeing this video, see me live now, please join up now, because this is a special moment where we practice speaking Igbo, we challenge ourselves to speak Igbo, we challenge our level of understanding of Igbo. So wherever you are, we advise you from any part of the world, you join up now, because we have just 1 hour to deal with this, and we have almost spent 10 minutes out of our time. So we're going to move fast as possible. So please, all right, Onwa Horoma, okay, somebody say Onwa Horoma, Happy New Month. Afọ Horoma is also right. So we are moving on now from where we dropped off last December. The next word we're dealing with now is mechie. Mechie. Let somebody drop mechie. What is the spelling of mechie in Igbo language? Can you drop it in the chat session? Mechie, which means close. What is the spelling? Write the word for us. Mechie. Okay. Igbo has written that. Mechie. That's a wonderful wife. Emmanuel will share. Oh, Emmanuel Eshie. Ndewo. Onye nkuzi anyị. Okay. Emmanuel Eshie. Your name sounds new. It appears today is the fourth day you are joining our live class. Please, Emmanuel, if I'm correct, can you say yes, I'm correct? Can you say Obezioku in Igbo language? And let's know which part of the country, which part of the world are you joining us from? From Nigeria, outside Nigeria? Please let's know. Emmanuel Eshie, where are you joining from? Which part of the world are you joining from? And is this the first time you are joining our live session? Please indicate that. We are very much interested in knowing that. Please, Emmanuel, I'm expecting your response. So all the same, no for being with us here. Emmanuel said Nigeria, Jos. Emmanuel is from Jos, Nigeria. Emmanuel Ndewo. Okay, let's move on. The word we are looking at now is Mechie, and Igbo has actually, okay, Emmanuel is saying, I'm coming for the first time. I'm joining from Jos, Nigeria. Emmanuel, no. Ndewo. Can we give Emmanuel a thumbs up? Can we give Emmanuel a clapping emoji? Can we give Emmanuel a welcome embrace? This is very important. Emmanuel, we love you. Ani Horogenanya, we love you. Ani Horogenanya, that means we love you. So that is, let's welcome Emmanuel officially as he joins up today as a first timer. Please give him a clapping emoji, a thumbs up emoji, whatever you want to do for Emmanuel to say that we love him, to welcome him to class. Please do that while we move on. So, okay, Emmanuel is waving at you. Emmanuel is here. No. Okay, Emmanuel, you can see they are saying no to you. Please, other people, welcome Emmanuel as a new student today. Let's show him love. Let's show him love. Okay, Koki J. They were Emmanuel. Okay, Emmanuel, you can. The students are welcoming you officially to our class. They are showing you love, and that is how we do it in this family. We love each other. We care for each other. It's beyond just having a lesson. We are friends. So we move on. Our first word today is mechie, which means close. Somebody has written the spelling already. Please, if you are seeing us now, join us. We are doing Igbo language drill, a time when we spend to challenge ourselves to speak and write Igbo language. So wherever you are in any part of the world, see me now, join up this special live session. I am the Igbo tutor. Now the word is mechie, which is close. Now I'm going to give you a sentence as usual. You know our rules, so that you write a sentence on mechie. The sentence is mechie ụzọ ọsịsọ. Mechie ụzọ ọsịsọ. Close the door quickly. Mechie ụzọ ọsịsọ. Close the door quickly. Can you write it now? Mechie ụzọ ọsịsọ. Close the door quickly. Yes. Who is writing that now? Drop it now. Mechie ụzọ ọsịsọ. Close the door quickly. Okay, mechie ụzọ ọsịsọ. Igbo has written. Who else is dropping? Who else is writing? Emmanuel Ushe wrote, mechie ụzọ ọsịsọ. Okay. And then Kokije, mechie ụzọ ọsịsọ. Great. Our students today are hot, really. Okay. I want to believe that Emmanuel has Igbo alphabet, Igbo keyboard in your phone. If you don't have it, next time, please reset your keyboard setting and look for Kwati Igbo keyboard in language setting, and then install it also in your phone if you're using phone or laptop, as the case may be, so that you have our alphabet complete with dots under and on top wherever necessary. That is important. I'm talking to Emmanuel now, HA. So we have Igbo keyboard. You can install it in your phone. You don't need to go and buy anyone. You can install it by setting your keyboard of your phone to looking for Kwati Igbo keyboard. You install it, and when you want to use O with dot under, just press it down. It will give you the options, and you pick the one you want to use. Okay, saying that, okay, almost all of you got the answers correct, except that Emmanuel used double E in mechie is single E. Then Uzo also, so Emmanuel is not putting dot under his O's and U's. It could be that he doesn't have a keyboard that is having the options of dot under and dot on top. That is the Igbo keyboard. So that is fine. So we go to the next word. The next one is mebie, which means spoil. Mebie, spoil. Maybe, can somebody write the word? Maybe, spoil. Okay? Maybe, spoil or destroy. Maybe. Okay? Can you write the word? Igbo wrote maybe. No, that's not what I said. I said maybe. Maybe. Oh yeah, Koki J, drop your own writing. Don't wait for other people. Write your word. Try to write the word. Koki. Okay, don't leave it for Igbo. Emmanuel, maybe. Okay, Emmanuel, correct. Emmanuel is the first one that got that word right. Maybe. Okay, Ben, you're welcome. I was all wondering whether you are still around. Why I have not seen you. Ben, you're welcome. So it's maybe. Ben is correct. It's maybe. Okay. Ndewo. Okay, Ndewo Ben. You are no. Ọnwa afọ ọhụrụ. Happy New Year. Okay. Koki J is not maybe, it's maybe. Okay, Mebie. So Ben got it correctly. Emmanuel got it correctly. Okay, those are the two people that got the word correctly, maybe. So let's go to a sentence now with the word maybe. The sentence is Ekwela ka o mebie. Ekwela ka o mebie. Don't let it spoil. Koki J is not maybe, it's be, maybe. Okay, please, if you are just joining us, indicate you are here by saying no. Just drop a greeting or say Dalon or say Happy New Year. Just say something. Let's pick your name. I like to call my students by name. Please indicate if you are joining. Let's know that you are joining. If you are coming for the first time, you just write first time and then put the country or part of the world where you are joining us from. Okay, we have a new person here today from Jos, Nigeria. We're expecting others to indicate where they are joining us from and give this video, this live session a thumbs up. Hit the like button on that so that YouTube can pass it to more people. Okay, annoyed baked bread. Say they won't. Annoyed baked bread. This your name makes me afraid. Oh. Annoyed baked bread. Okay, all the same. Anyway, I will be using baked bread, not annoyed. I don't like that annoyed. I hope you are not annoyed with us. Okay, baked bread. Where are you coming up from? Okay. Oyibo is also wondering why your name is annoyed. So he's also wondering. So annoyed baked bread, where are you joining us from? Is it the first time you're joining us? Which part of the world are you joining from? Okay. Now somebody say, like maybe. Ben said, don't let it spoil. Oh. Annoyed baked bread. Please don't let it spoil. So, baked bread, why are you joining from? Which part of the world are you joining from? We want to welcome you officially. Okay? Okay. Ekwela ka o mebie. Okay, that's Ben. That is the word I say you should write. Cookie J is also wondering, this kind of your name, annoyed baked bread. We're all wondering why your name is annoyed. Okay, I hope you are not annoyed with us. I'm very sure you are happy with us. That's why you're joining us. So we are happy with you. Don't be annoyed, please. But we can buy baked bread, we can patronize you, but not to be annoyed, right? So annoyed baked bread. Baked bread, I choose to use only baked bread. Where are you joining us from? Where are you joining us from? Which part of the world are you joining from? Baked bread. Is it your first time? Let's be sure of that. No to the baker. Okay, baker. Let's know where you are joining from. Please hit the like button for this live session. It's very important to us. I only have 2 likes here. I want more. We're about 8 or 9 here now. Hit the like button and let's answer the questions as we drop them. I was asking baked bread, which part of the world is he joining from? This is important to us. And is it the first time he's joining us? We need answers to this question. Okay, Ablahi Ndewo, Ablahi is here. Dr. Ablahi, no, Ablahi, that's how we do it. Once we join, you drop your greetings so that we know where you are joining us from. That is important. Ablahi is from Nigeria, okay, but we are yet to know where baked bread is joining from, which part of the world is joining us from. That is very important to us. Now, the word we're looking at is, as you hit the like button, we will appreciate that. The word we're looking at now is, the sentence is Ekwela ka o mebie. Okay, don't let it spoil. And somebody has written Ekwela ka o mebie, that is Emmanuel Eshie. And then Ben has also written that Ekwela ka o mebie. That's very correct. Who else has written? Only these 2 people has written. Where are the rest? I say if you write Ekwela, some people will prefer to use Ekwena. If you are from Anambra, Ekwena ka o mebie. Okay, but Ekwela ka o mebie is the more acceptable one generally. Ekwela ka o mebie. So don't let it spoil. Some have not written. I only have 2 students that responded so far. Others have not responded. So if you are joining us, the sentence we say you should write is Ekwela ka o mebie. Can you write it now? Please write your own. Don't wait to learn from others. Also challenge your understanding, challenge your brain, challenge your perception of the sound and the sentences and the words. That is what we are here doing. So don't wait to look at what others has written to copy it. Write your own. As I said, mention the sentence, write your own. If it's not correct, we'll correct you. That's why we are here. So if you are joining us, indicate, just drop a greeting so that we can pick your name and give you a welcome greeting. Please, this is important for those who are joining for the first time. Okay. Abụ m onye nke mbụ dere ya. Okay, ahụghị m ya, ewela iwe, oyibo Igbo. Ahụghị m ya, ekwela ka o mebie. I didn't know. Oh, I only saw you wrote, I know. Oh, ekwela ka o mebie. Oh, yeah. Igbo, you are the first person that answered the question. Oh, yeah, I've scrolled up and I've seen your response. You are correct. You are the first person. No. So you are challenging to be the class captain today. Igbo, I guess as much. You want to be the class captain today. So we might give it to you. But let's see whether Ben will allow you to be the class captain today. So it's a challenge now. If you are joining for the first time, indicate where you are joining us from. Let's know the part of the world you are joining from. Okay, Abdullah is from Jalingo, Taraba State. That's why Dr. Abdullah is joining us from. Abdullah, you are a regular student and you are a supporter of the channel. We appreciate you so much. Abdullah, why are you really interested in learning Igbo? Are you married to Igbo or you have Igbo friends? I am interested. Dr. Abdullah, what is drawing you to learn Igbo language? I'm interested in knowing because you bought Igbo books, you are a regular student, you have always chatted with me. So I want to know why Dr. Blai from Jalingo is interested in learning Igbo language. Maybe he's married to my sister. Who knows? I want to know you more, doctor. Okay, now we're moving on. This Anoint Baked Bread has not told us where he's joining us from, which part of the country or world he's joining from. He has not done that. I don't know why he has not replied to this simple question. So we moved. Many of you got the question correctly. A lot of Igbo friends. Okay, Alaji said a lot of Igbo friends. He has a lot of Igbo friends. I thank God I'm one of your Igbo friends now. You are not just your friend, but you're an Igbo teacher. So we have so many things in common. And that is how Nigeria should be. Don't let politicians divide us and create enmity amongst us. We don't hate each other. They just do that to achieve their selfish goals, and we must not give them the chance to do that. We are brothers and sisters. If we can travel out of Nigeria and interact with people and live with people and do business with people, why can't we do it amongst ourselves in Nigeria? Politicians are the ones destroying the nation with tribal bigotry, religious bigotry, and so many other things they use just to divide us and rule us permanently and achieve their aim of ruling over us. But we are one people. We love each other. We care for each other. We marry each other everywhere. So we're moving on. Ladi, thank you. So you have a lot of Igbo friends. Thank you for being a friend of Igbos. We are moving on. Then the next word we're looking at now is Megide or Megide. Megide, not Megida, Megide. If it's Megida, it becomes Hausa. Alaji will understand that more than me. But this one is Megide or Megide. That is the word. Okay, we have little data. We have little data. Okay, Emmanuel should say you have little data. So I should move on faster. I think that's what you're saying. More Igbo, please. Okay. She say more Igbo, please. We have little data. Ben, Megide. Okay, let's move faster. Megide. Now, Megide, what is the meaning of Megide? Somebody had dropped the word Megide. Okay, that is Igbo had done that. Ben had done that. Koki J had done that. But Koki J, it is not double M, it's single M, Megide. Okay, Alaji had also done that, Megide. That is the word, Megide. What is the meaning? Go against. Go against. Let's take the sentence now. Ha na-emegide anyị. Ha na-emegide anyị. They are going against us. Ha na-emegide anyị. They are going against us. What is the sentence? Can you drop it now? Ha na-emegide anyị. They are going against us. Abụ m onye Sierra Leone. Okay, Elizabeth Ago said she's from Sierra Leone. That's interesting. Okay, Elizabeth Ago, no. Dalo for joining us today. Chukwu Goziegi, which means God bless you. Chukwu Goziegi. Please let's welcome Elizabeth Ago. Now, the sentence is ha na-emegide anyị. They are going against us. Ha megide. Okay. Somebody has written. Let me look at the words. Okay. Igbo is the first one. Ha na-emegide anyị. Bemben, ha na-emegide anyị. Correct. Kokije, ha na-emegide anyị. Kokije, you're supposed to put E in front of your M before megide is emegide anyị. Alaji, your own is not correct. Emmanuel Shea, ha na-emegide anyị. Correct. Kokije, anyị. Okay, that's fine. Anyị, your efforts are all good. You tried so much. Okay, now the next word we're looking at is mefue, because Emmanuel said I should move faster. Mefue, he has a little data. I pray next time you're going to load more data before you come to class, because we want to make our class as entertaining as possible. Okay, so but we're going to move faster based on Emmanuel's request. The next word is mefue, 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 which means spend or expend or spend. That is mefue. So what is the word? Can you drop the word? Okay, I'm waiting for the word now. Ha, okay, mefue, that is the word. Spend, expend, or spend. Mefue, yes. If you are seeing us now, please join up. This is Igbo Tutor Live. We're doing Igbo language drill to deepen your knowledge of and understand of Igbo language, expand your horizon, give you an avenue to challenge yourself and measure your level of progress or knowledge of Igbo language. That's what we're doing here. This is the Igbo Tutor Live. So join us wherever you are seeing me now from any part of the world. The word we're looking at here is mefue, spend or expend. I want somebody to drop the word for me in the chat session. The correct spelling of mefue. Drop it now. I'm waiting for that. Mefue, spend or expend. If you are joining us for the first time, it's always good that we welcome you. So you drop something, you just drop a greeting, say no, they will no, so that we can welcome you. I've seen Elizabeth Agu from Sierra Leone. That's what we're looking at here. Now, where are the rest? The word is mefue. Nobody has dropped the word yet. I don't know what's going on. Is it my network? Okay, I've seen it. Okay, I've seen it. Igbo has dropped. Mefue. Emmanuel Shia say mepue. No, not mepue. Say mefue is F. Mefue. Okay. Kokije mefue. That's correct. Ablahi mefue. That's correct. I spend or expend. Bembe. Emmanuel say kuzie na susu Igbo. Kwuo okwu n'asụsụ Igbo na kọwaa ihe ị na-ekwu. Biko. Okay. Okay, ha sị m kọwaa ya n'asụsụ Igbo, m kwuo ihe m na-ekwu n'asụsụ Igbo. Nsogbu m nwere bụ na m sụọ ihe ọbụla n'Igbo, ụfọdụ ndị na-ebe agaghị anụ ihe m na-ekwu. Ya mere m ji na-asụ Igbo na-asụ Bekee. The emphasis bụ those sentences m na-eme ka onye ọbụla ghọta ya ma dee ya. Okay, maka m sụwa asụ Igbo, o doro m anya na ọtụtụ mmadụ na-ebe agaghị anụ ihe m na-ekwu. Ịhụla na o nwere ndị si Sierra Leone, o nwere ndị si Northern Nigeria, o nwere ndị si ebe ndị ọzọ wee bata. So ọ bụrụ na ya sụwa asụ Igbo, ha agaghị esoro ihe anyị na-eme, ọ gaghị edo ha anya ma ọlị ma ọlị. Ya bụ na ewere iwe. Clement Emeghem, ndewo, you are welcome. So that's why we are mixing Igbo and English. I hope that is clear enough. So we'll get to a point where we'll start speaking only Igbo as we progress. Okay. O nwere ndị si m na-asụ Igbo naanị Igbo, mana m sụwa asụ Igbo, ọtụtụ mmadụ agaghị aghọta ihe m na-ekwu. Biko unu ewere iwe. So say both Igbo na Bekee. That's what I'm talking about. So we have to be mixing it up for those, because of those who are not conversant too well with Igbo. Remember, we're doing this for the sake of those who don't understand Igbo language very well. So if we now begin to speak only Igbo, they will get lost entirely. They won't get what we're saying. So we have to be mixing it, code mixing and code switching here and there, so that we can carry them along. I hope that is clear enough. So we talked about mefue. Okay, I need a maka mefue, spend or expend. That's the word. I need a go where mefue, spend. So the sentence is, okay, the sentence is mefue egogi nkoma. Mefue ego gị nke ọma. Spend your money well. Spend your money well. Mefue ego gị nke ọma. That is the sentence. Can you write it now? Mefue ego gị nke ọma. Spend your money well. Mefue ego gị nke ọma. That's great. That's great. Ibo is the class leader today. I think she's challenging everybody. Ibo, our wife, you are the one beating everybody today. You are always dropping first. You are always and getting it right. So you are the class captain today. Mefue gogi nkoma. Okay. Kokije, mefue gogi. Kokije, that is half of the sentence. You didn't complete it. I say mefue gogi nke oma. So you didn't get it. Mefue, Clement, ushe mefue gogi comma. No, you didn't get comma. Is nke oma. Mefue egogi nke oma. I'm talking to Emmanuel Eshia. Ablahi, mefue ego gi, comma, no. Ego gi are two words. Ego is money. Gi is you. You are. So you separate it. It's not comma, it's nke, oma. N-K-E, then oma. I'm talking to Ablahi now. Clement, mefue ego gi nke oma, correct? Bembe, mefue ego gi nke oma, correct? That's fine. So we move to the next one. The next one, because I need to mota learn. The next word, okwu nke ọzọ bụ mụta. Mkpụrụ okwu nke ọzọ anyị na-ele anya bụ mụta. The next word we are looking at is mụta. Mụta. Learn. Learn. Can you drop the word? Tinye dee ya na ebe mkparịta ụka. Dee ya n'okpuru. Dee ya ugbu a. Mba okwu a bụ mụta. Detuo ya. Oke, ahụla m Igbo oyibo edeela ya mụta. Kee maka ndị ọzọ. How about others? Kedu maka ndị ọzọ? How about others? Emmanuel Eshie has written Mota. Okay, even though Emmanuel's alphabet is not perfectly Igbo alphabet, he's not putting dot under. I believe maybe he doesn't have the Igbo keyboard. Koki J, it's not Mota, it's Mota. You with dot under. Mota. Talking to Koki J now. Okay, Clement, Mota, that's correct. Okay, that is the word. I hope others are going to drop their own as we move on. Please hit the like button for this live session. Hit the like button. It's important to us. Hit the like button under. Hit the like button. Okay, so that YouTube can move this to more people. They can escalate it to others to join. So mota, that's the word. That is learn. Okay. Achorom iga mota Igbo. Achorom. Okay. Achọrọ m ịmụta Igbo. Apịam ya, okay, bem, apịago m ya kemgbe. Okay, apịago m ya kemgbe. Okay, ịpịgo ya kemgbe, that's fine. Apịgo m ya, not apịago m ya, apịgo m ya kemgbe. Apịgo m ya kemgbe, that's fine. Okay, I can see the response. People are already pressing that. Okay, now, okay, let me take another word. Ka anyị mụta. Okay, ka anyị mụta akwụkwọ or ka anyị mụta Igbo? Ka anyị mụta Igbo. Let us learn or understand Igbo. Ka anyị mụta Igbo. Let us learn or understand Igbo. Ka anyị mụta Igbo. Okay? Ka anyị mụta Igbo. That is the word. Igbo. Ka anyị mụta Igbo. Igbo is the class captain today, no doubt about that. Emmanuel Ishii has written Kani, but Ka is one word, that's let. Ani is another word, A-N-Y-I. Us, that is us. Before Mota, I'm talking to Emmanuel Ishii, you join it together, it's not together. Mota is M-U-T-A, Mota Igbo is fine, but you must have dot under. Okay, Clement, Ka Ani Mota Asusu Igbo, that's fine. But Clement, if you are not writing your Ka complete, you put comma on top of it before Ani, so that we know that one word is missing. Otherwise, it is K-A. I'm talking to Clement Emehe. Koki J, Ani Mutaibo. No, it's not Kani Mutaibo. You join K and Ani together. No, if you want to do that, you put comma on top of K in front to show that one alphabet is missing there. Talking to Koki J. Igbo, Mobu, Kani, Muta, Akwukwo. Okay. Igbo is our class captain today. She's leading. She's even correcting me. Okay, she's giving you other options. Bembe, Kani Mutasusu Igbo. That's fine. Let's learn Igbo language. They are now taking it to a higher level. Kani Mutasusu Igbo. Let us learn Igbo language. That's fine. We're doing well today. Next word is mụnye. Okwu nke ọzọ bụ mụnye. Mkpụrụ okwu ngwa ya bụ verb is ngwa. Mkpụrụ okwu ngwa ọzọ bụ mụnye, light up. Mụnye, light up. Mụnye, light up. As we light up the candle, as we light up any other thing we want to light up, okay? Mụnye is one single word. So Emmanuel Eshie is one word, mụnye. Okay, Igbo got it right. It's mụnye. Okay, it's one word, one single word, mụnye, M-U. I'm waiting for others to write. Igbo has gotten the right word, mụnye. More people are joining the class. Please, those who are joining the class now, give us a greeting. Drop no. Say something. Say ndewo no. Let's know who you are. Let's pick your name. Let's give you our greetings. It's important that we welcome you to class as you join. Those who are joining us now, please give us a greeting. Let's know you are here. Let's pick your name and give you greetings. We want to identify our students by name. I want to communicate with you by your name, not just that you are here. Want to identify with you, want to know you, want to communicate with you directly. So please, when you are joining, as you are joining us, just indicate you are here. Just say no, just say ndewo, just say daalụ, just say something. Let's know you are here. Let's pick your name and give you our class greetings and class welcome. Okay, Daniel. Okay, Darrell, you are welcome. Okay, Darrell is here. Darrell is spelled ndewo, is Ndewo. That is ndewo. That's the beautiful thing about what you have done now. You have to learn it. Ndewo is spelled Ndewo. Ndewo, not endewo. Okay, so Darrell, please let's know which part of the world are you joining us from. Darrell, I'm talking to you now. Let's know which part of the world or country are you joining us from. This is important to us. Okay, I'm talking to Darrell. Okay, Darrell has corrected herself. Ndewo, are you he or she? I don't know. But want to know which part of the world are you joining from? Talking to Darrell now. Which part of the world are you joining from? Munye or Munye? Okay, Munye or Munye is Munye. Is okay, is Munye. Okay, is you without dot under is okay. Darrell, I'm talking to Darrell. Which part of the world are you joining us from? We are already welcoming you. I impress it. Is it Apiagomia or Apigomia? Is Apigomia, not Apiagomia. Apigomia, the second option. Apigomia, not Apiagomia. Okay. Darrell is joining us from Austria, Texas, United States of America. That is Darrell. Darrell, no, you are highly welcome. So let's give Darrell a thumbs up. She's joining us for the first time. I believe this is the first time she's joining our class. Please hit the like button under. It's important to us. Darrell, Bembe, onye ọbụla, no, okay. Daalụ no, onye ọbụla, that's fine. Talking to Bembe. So Darrell is from the United States of America, Texas precisely. No, Darrell, you are highly welcome to class today. Okay. Now, the sentence you are doing with Munye is Munyoko na ekwu. Munyoko na ekwu igwe. Munyoko na ekwu igwe. Munye ọkụ na ekwu igwe. Light up the cooking stove, iron cooker or English cooker, ekwu igwe, that is cooker. Okay, ekwu is a cooking place, cooking a fireplace for cooking. It is munyoko nekwu igwe. Okay, class captain has written, though not perfectly well, but she has made a very good attempt. Munyoko nekwu igwe. Okay, Clement is improving seriously. Clement is almost perfect. Munyoko nekwu igwe. Clement is perfect. Clement is the first person that will get it correctly. Igbo tried. Munyoku neku. Okay, eku. She has corrected herself. Is eku. It's not eku. Okay. Now, what did Ben wrote? Munyoku neku igwe. Correct. Kokije. Munyoku. No, Kokije is not oku. It's oku. OKU, not OKWU. Talking to Kokije. Okay. Neku igwe. If you are using neku igwe, you have to put comma on top of N in front to show that A is missing there. Neku igwe. Okay. Talking to Kokije, good trial for everybody. Good trial for everybody. Now, before we go to the next word, I need to please remind us, especially for those of you who are joining us for the first time, that this is the Igbo tutor. We have our Igbo channel. You subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and more lessons, notices being sent to you. You go to our homepage too and watch our videos there. There are so many videos there we prepare for you that are so rich that if you watch them, you can never remain the same again. Not only that, we have reduced almost substantially those important videos in our channel that are basic, germane. We have reduced them to ebooks that are going to be very helpful to you so that you don't need to take notes or worry about forgetting anything. But the good thing about our ebooks is that they have audio included in it. It's not just book, but you are buying both audio book and text ebook. So when you buy our ebooks, you download the audio inside the ebook. So you listen to me every time, teaching you, explaining the book to you, reading the book for you. So you have a double advantage when you buy our ebooks. You can always access them any moment, anytime. When you buy the book, download the audio, you now have the audio and the text permanently for keeps. You have a permanent access to them. You download them to your phone or computer, so you don't need to buy them again. And with that, even when you don't have data, you can always go back to your book and listen to your teacher talk to you, explain things to you in the book. To access this book is very simple. When this lesson finishes, you will check the description box of this very particular live session. When it's uploaded, you will see a link to our ebook shop. Click the link, it will take you to our bookshop directly where you can access all our books there. Click on any of them, put into the shopping basket, pay, and download them for use and for keep for life. Very cheap books, less than $2 for some of them. So you can always buy them and keep them today. For those of you who are joining for the first time, you have books on alphabet, on numbers, on two-letter words, and other things like that. You need them so that it can equip you to learn faster as you go through them and listen to the reading, the pronunciation of those words. They will help you so much. Many of our students here have bought the book. For those of you coming in today, you need to buy the ebooks. They will help you so much. I think I have about 8 of them there now. I'm going to add one more today at the end of this live session. So do that today. I'll be glad you did. Let's go on now. We are talking about the next word. Palie is the next word. Palie. Can you write the word for me? Palie. 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 Nyem link yozo. Okay, somebody said I should give him the link again. The link is already in this video, this live session. The description of this live session is where we have the link. When you open it after the lesson, this lesson will be uploaded. Open the description box. You will see the link inside the description box of this particular live session and other ones I've done before. You will see the link there when you open the description box. You open it. Those of you who have not bought, who are old students, please, you do have to buy these books. They are so helpful. Those of them who have bought the book and they are reading it, you can see the effect in the class. They are performing far, far better than the rest. So do that today. Now we're talking about, okay, I didn't get what the doctor said. I didn't get what doctor said by Nyemoku. I didn't get what doctor mean very clearly. And then the next word, maybe doctor should have to explain what he want to say. The next word we're dealing with here is palie, which means lift. Palie, lift something up. Palie, please drop the word for us. What is the word? Palie. Who is dropping the word? I hope I'm still online. Yes, who is dropping the word? Palie, drop the word. I can't see your chat coming in. Palie, okay, is dropping now. It's dropping now. Clement, Palie, that's correct. Okay. Munyo Neku Igwe. Okay. Elizabeth Agu is not Nebu Igwe, it's Neku. It's spelled EKWU. Your chat is coming in late somehow. Okay, but you tried. It's Munye. Elizabeth, you really need to buy our books from our store. You need to buy our ebooks to give you a background preparation and knowledge of some of these things against next week. After this live session, Elizabeth, you need to open the description box of this live session when it's uploaded. Please check the link to our store. Buy the books on alphabet, two-letter words, numbers, and the rest of them. It will help you so much. I'm talking to Elizabeth Agu and the rest of them, like Dare that came in today. You need these books so well and so much. So we are writing about Palie now. Many people have written, and they are all correct. Almost everybody is correct. Palie, palie, palie. Munyo, kunye, okay. Palie. Most of you are correct. That is lift up. Now let's make a sentence with palie. Palie igbe ahu. Palie igbe ahu. Lift up that box. Palie igbe ahu. Anụtụbeghị m okwu a before. Palie. Oh, you know that okwu a before. Oh, you can use palie or use bulie. Both are correct. I'm talking to Ben Ben now that say he has not heard this word before. It's either you use palie or bulie. Bulie elu or palie elu or palie ya elu. It's either palie or bulie. Both are correct. Okay? I'm talking to Ben Ben that say he has not heard this word before. This is Igbo word. Either bulie or palie, they are all correct. Okay? Now, somebody has written Igbo Igbo palie Igbo ahu. Lift up that box. That's correct. Clement palie Igbo ahu. Ben Ben palie Igbo ahu. Okay? These are all correct. I hope others are going to drop their own also as we expect them. Palie, bulie, okay, yes. So the same word is correct. Both bulie or palie, both of them are correct. Some people use palie, palitea. Some people use bulie. They are all correct. Okay. I heard palie ihe ahụ. It is igbe. Okay. 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 Palie igbe ahụ. That's what we say. Palie ihe ahụ. It is igbe. Okay. Is it that if you use ihe ahụ, that's okay. But what I said is palie igbe ahụ, not ihe ahụ. It's igbe ahụ. That's fine. We move to the next word, and then the next word is pinye. Pinye, press into, press like a liquid into something. Okay, Dare, you tried. Palie Igba, that's great. Dare, you also need to get the Igbo keyboard in your phone or computer. Go to your computer language setting and keyboard setting. Look for Kwati Igbo, install it in your phone or computer. It will always toggle between Igbo and English in your keyboard. So you can always choose which one you want to use if it's your computer or phone, as the case may be, so that you can be able to write the Igbo alphabets correctly as you type your words. Okay, I'm talking to Dare now. Okay, like in the case of Aho, Igbo Aho, your H, your U should have dot under it as Aho, Igbo Aho. That's why you need that Igbo keyboard. So we are moving on now, and then we are talking about pinye, press into. Pinye ogu n'anyam. Pinye ogu n'anyam. Press medicine into my eye. Pinye ogu. Especially liquid something, that's used mostly for liquid something. Pinye ogu n'anyam. Press medicine into my eye. That's the sentence we're dealing with now. Can you write it now? Pinye ogu n'anyam. Who is writing now? Class captain, where are you? Igbo. Don't let them beat you back. You are the class captain today. Pinye ogu n'anyam. Press medicine into my eye. Okay, the class captain has written. Pinye ogu n'anyam. Great. You are indeed the class captain. Ben wrote Pinye ogu n'anyam. But you missed me. You missed me. Anyam. That's what you missed. Ben. Clement. Pinye ogu n'anyam. Your ogu should be OGW, not OGU. That is why you missed it. Talking to Clement Emehem. Okay. Do. Okay. Adema. Okay. Anyway, for the sake purpose of this lesson. Okay. Pinyo ogu n'anyam. I said ogu. Sorry, I was interrupted somehow. I was interrupted by a call. So we move on. We move on now, and we are moving on now. And somebody, Igbo, I was interrupted by somebody's call. So that's what happened. Sorry about that. We're back. Shuba, no, you are here today. Shuba, not. You are here today. That's great. Great to have you. Okay, Shoba not is one of our old students before. Shoba, even though you are coming in late somehow, but good you are here, Shoba. Okay, Shobon. I remember she corrected me about how to pronounce this name before, but I've forgotten again. Sorry about that. So we are back together and we are moving on. The next word we're looking at now is pota, 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 which means come out. Pota. Now drop the word for me. Chevon. Okay, you corrected me. Chevon. Okay, Ben, you remember that. You remember that correction. Ben, you are very observant too. You remember that correction. I almost I missed it. Chevon. Chevenot. Okay, it's Chevon. Chevenot. Okay, thank you for reminding me, Ben. Okay, pota is the word. Hana edeya, hana edeya. Ngwa dee nke gị. Write your own. Dee nke gị pota. Echela ndị ọzọ dee nke gị. Don't wait for others. Write your own. Pota. Okay, many has written. Many have written. Pota, pota. Those are fine words you have written. Okay, let's have the sentence now. Potanezi. 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 Come outside. That is the sentence. Can you write it now? There. There. Also, write it fast. Like eye drop. Yes, Abdullahi, that is it. Pinye is used for liquid like eye drop. Okay, you are right. You are right. That's what I mean by liquid something. That's what we use pinye for. I'm talking to Dr. Abdullahi. So, Ibo has written potanezi. Okay, correct. Emeghe potanezi. Bembe, nsogbu adịghị. Enwere m ndị enyi kpọrọ Shoha. Okay. Okay, maybe you want to say enwere m ndị enyi a na-akpọ Shevon, like you have friends that are called that name. If that's what you mean, you write it this way. Enwere m ndị enyi a na-akpọ Shevon, not ndị enyi kpọrọ Shevon. Ndị enyi a na-akpọ, they are called. Okay. Okay, talking to Bembem, if that's what you mean. I'm just trying to correct that. Okay. Now we're talking about Potanezi. Two people have written. A class captain has written Potanezi, correct. Clement, Potanezi, correct. Where are the rest? Kendi also. De nke unu. Write your own. De nkegi. That means write your own. De nkegi. Write your own. Potanezi. Okay. Kokije, Potanezi. That's correct. Potanezi. But we always prefer to use N. Removing the A and putting comma on top becomes Nezi. That's always better. Dere, I don't know why they are hiding your chart. Okay. I don't know why they hide your chart from us. Talking to Dere, Potanezi. Okay, Dere, you put your Nezi have to have comma on top of N, in front of N on top, to show that A is not there. Okay, to make it Potanezi. I'm talking to Dare, but you made a good effort. Bembe, ndị enyi a na-akpọ Shivon. Okay, that's correct. You got my correction. That's fine. Bembe, Potanezi. That's correct. That's great. Okay, we move on. I want to cover this 10 today. Now, the next word is rie. Rie, which means eat. Now, drop the word now. Rie. Rie, eat. Rie, eat. Drop the word. Class captain, where are you? Okay, you have done that already. I trust you. Dare, Potanezi. Okay, Dare, you are right. You got my correction. That is the way to write it. Potanezi. Now people are dropping Rie already. If you drop your own, eat. Rie. That is the word. Eat. Rie. They are dropping it. Their words are all correct. Okay. Okay. While you are waiting for you to drop your own, maybe it's still in transit. We take the sentence now. Okay, the sentence is Rie Osikapa Dinafere. A little bit long. Let's know those who are making progress. Rie Osikapa Dinafere. Eat the rice in the plates. Rie Osikapa Dinafere. Eat the rice in the plates. Euphemia Ezerioha, no. Eukarya Ezerioha, you are highly welcome. I think is today is the first day you are joining us, Eukarya. If today is the first day, Eukarya, please let's know where you are joining from. Which part of the world are you joining from? Eukarya. Talking to Eukarya Ezerioha. Please let's know which part of the world you are joining us from. Eukarya. We want to welcome you specially. Okay? Now I want to look at the sentences made. Rie osikapa. Okay. Daria want to challenge you. Daria is the one writing first. Daria, you are not you are serious today. Oh. You are a first timer today, but you want to challenge the old timers. Rie osikapa de na fere. That's great. That's great. Daria, you tried. The only thing that you miss is that your osikapa is not C. In the case of kappa is K. Our C is pronounced as K. So it's K. We don't have a C as a single alphabet in Igbo. Rather, we have CH. So where we have C, as in English, it is K. So that you see kappa is KAPA. Talking to Darrell. Okay, Rio Sikapa, Dina Fere, Clement, that you are right. Ibo, they are trying to overthrow you. Many people have written before you. Rio Sikapa, Dina Fere, great. That's Ibo now. Koki J, Rio Sikapa, no, is a single word, don't separate it. I'm talking to Koki J, put it together. Dina Fere, then Dina Fere, D is a single word, DI is a single word, then Na Fere is another word. Please, I'm talking to Koki J. Bembe, Rio Sikapa Dina Fere, correct. Dare, I'm writing rubbish. No, you are not writing rubbish. Dare, not at all. You are not writing rubbish. For you to be able to write to this level on your first lesson, it means you are serious and you have a lot of knowledge already. You only need brushing up. And that's why I'm encouraging you to buy our ebooks after this lesson. Direct. Please don't forget to do that. Those books will help you to go a long way. That after this live session, you can hear me talking to you again, explaining many things to you in the book, pronouncing the words correctly for you with right spellings, word meanings, alphabet, so many things you need to learn through those books. So it's not you're writing rubbish, you're not writing rubbish, you're writing so much more. That's the essence of the class, to correct you, to teach you, to guide you. That's why we are here. So no one writes rubbish here because your teacher is here for you to correct anything you write, to make it right. That, please, don't discourage yourself. Now we move on. We have finished with Rie. We are going on now with Rafwe. Rafwe, that's the next word. Rafwe. I hope some people are not running away. Rafwe, or your data is getting exhausted. How many hours have you spent? Okay, we're almost spending 1 hour. We hope to spend just 1 hour here. But some people are just joining us now, so I don't think I will stop exactly 1 hour because of those who just joined now. Rafwe is the word, and some people are writing already. Our class captain has written Rafwe, which is deceive. Clement has written Rafwe, deceive. Okay, where are the rest? Where are the rest? Could it be that your data is finished, you are running away? Okay, where are the rest? Waiting for you, Rafwe. Drop the word. Drop the word, Rafwe. Yes, yes, yes. Deceive. That's Rafwe. Deceive. Okay. Where are you? Two people have just dropped their. Oh, where are the rest? Okay. Where are the rest? Where are the rest? It appears some people are running away. Are you busy somewhere? Some people seem to be dropping off. Okay. Some people say I get eternity data. Keep going. Igbo. Class captain say I should keep going. That her data will never finish. But maybe because you are in where are you again? Is it Germany? You are in Germany. In Nigeria, there's no money here. We are managing ourselves. Your data can be endless in Germany, but in Nigeria, we buy through our nose. And then we manage whatever we have here. We don't have money. Okay. So, okay, you are from Austria. You have reminded me. You are Austria. You are from Austria, not Germany. So if your data doesn't finish in Austria, in Nigeria, our data always finish. We manage ourselves. But please, next time you are coming to class, make sure you have at least 1 megabyte, at least 1.5 or 1 megabyte. That's what you should have before coming to class. Don't just come here and say data finish, because I also am using data. I'm using data to teach you. So we have to prepare. Nothing goes for nothing. Get data, please. Okay? Now we are talking about Rafwe. Sorry about that. Rafwe, which is deceive. And the sentence is, Ekwelaka ọ rafue gị. Ekwela ka ọ rafue gị. Don't let him deceive you. Ekwela ka ọ rafue gị. Don't let him or her deceive you. That is the word. Ekwela ka ọ rafue gị. Okay. Ekwela ka ọ rafue gị. A class captain has written, where are the rest? Ekwela ka ọ rafue gị. A class captain has written, Igbo, our dear wife. She has written, where are the rest? Koki J, Ekwela ọ rafue gị. No. Koki J, listen to me carefully before you write. Ekwela ka ọ rafue gị. But you wrote Ekwela ọ rafue gị. You didn't put ka, let. Don't let. Ekwela ka, don't let. Ekwela ka ọ, a single word, him or her. Rafue, another word. Ge, another word, which is you. Okay, so when I'm pronouncing and giving the word, listen to me and look at my mouth so you can get it clearly. So Koki J, do your correction. Clement, Ekwela ka ọ rafue gị, correct. Dare, Ekwele ka ọ rafue gị. Dare, you're almost there, except that you don't know the alphabet. Ekwe is KW. So Ekwela, I'm talking to Dare. So it's Ekwela, EKW, not EKU. EKW, Ekwela. Then A is one to end with upper L, La, LA. Ka ọ rafue. That's the only thing you miss. Other ones are correct. That's Dare. Good effort. Great one. Ben, Ekwela ka ọ rafue. Good. Dare, Ekwela ka. Oh yeah, Dare, you are there. I love that. Dare, I like your spirit. Now you are moving on. That's what I want. Don't say you're writing rubbish. You're not writing rubbish. Okay. Egwekwe Chima. Egwekwe Chima. Okay. Egwekwe Chima. You just entered without announcement. You didn't tell us you have joined. You didn't greet us so that we can welcome you officially. Egwekwe Chima. I think this is the first time you are joining us. Where are you joining from? Which part of the country? Which part of the world are you joining from? Talking to Egwekwe. Let's know where you're joining from. Okay. So let's welcome you officially. Okay. Okay. I'm talking to Egwekwe now. Ekwela ka ọ rafue gị. That's correct. Egwekwe, your word is very correct. Koki J, Ekwela ka ọ rafue gị. Okay. That's good. Okay, you corrected yourself. That's great. Now, okay. Not now. Okay. The next word is re. Sell. Sell. What is the word? Drop it. Sell. We're going to, we've covered 1 hour. We're going to add maybe 15 minutes more because of those who are just joining us now. So 15 minutes to 30 minutes more because of the people joining us today. Just now, they are coming in late. Re means sell. So what is the word? Class captain has dropped the word. Re, yes. Drop your own. Okay, Bembe, no, Shoba, no, Egwekwe. All right, they are welcoming you and you people today. Okay, Shoba is not a new person anyway, but Egwekwe is a new person entirely. And we're asking Egwekwe, which part of the world are you joining us from? Please, let's know, want to welcome you specially. We are interested in knowing where you are joining from. Let's know how many countries of the world we are serving. All right, so Egwekwe, please do us that favor. Nigeria, African countries, America, Asia, wherever you are, please let's know Egwekwe. Now we're talking about re, sell. That is the word, sell. Sell. Okay, and the sentence is, Ga re ahia ubua. Go sell your market now. Ga re ahia ubua. Daru ndendewo ndioma ebim na Abuja. Okay. Okay, Egwekwe is joining us from Abuja, Nigeria, the capital city, capital FCT, the seat of power. These are the powerful people. We are privileged to have you in our midst, those who are coming with power from Abuja. I hope you are going to, use your power from Abuja to, push this channel forward and then support us to do more in this channel because we know Abuja people are rich people. Okay, thank you, Egwekwe. You're welcome. Don't mind me. Anyway, we're talking about re, ga re ahia ubua. Okay, Igbo has written ga re ahia ubua. Correct. Koki J, ga re ahia. Oh, you miss the last word is ubua, which is now. Some people call it kita. Some part of Igbo land, they will say kita. But actually it should be ubua, but all is correct. Okay, Garia here ubua. Egwekwe, you got it. Clement, you tried. Garia here ubua. That's great. Bembe, Garia here ubua. Great. Dare, Garia here ubua. Great. But Dare, your ubua is UGB, UA, ubua. We alphabet. That's more reason we have to buy our books, our ebooks. We have one on alphabet, we have one on numbers, we have one on 2-letter word, we have one on daily conversation, we have one on 100. This particular lesson we're dealing with now, which is 100 Igbo verbs and the sentences, we have a book on that in our bookshop. So you just avail yourself of that opportunity. Go to this video when it's uploaded. Immediately this live session finish, the YouTube will upload this live session into our channel. Go there, open the live session, open the description box below it. You will see the link to our ebook shop. Click on the link. It will take you straight to our ebook shop where you will see all the books we have there. They are downloadable. You just click on them, as many as you want, download, and then when you open the book, you click on the green bar on top below the title page. That is the audio bar. You click on it, it will open the audio, you download the audio into your phone or computer for permanent lifetime access. So you can always go to your book and your audio, listen to the audio. I will read for you, I will explain to you so you don't miss anything. You can listen to it over and over as many times as you want because they are for you, for keeps. You don't pay again for it. So don't miss it today. Those of you who are here in this class today for the first time, those who are old-timers who have not bought the books, you need to do that today after this live session. That is very important to us and to you, for you to be able to make progress faster in your Igbo language learning journey. Thank you very much. So we're talking about Garia here Ubua. Go Daria, I'm talking to you that Ubua is UGBUA, but you tried. Good effort. Okay, Clement Garia here Ubua. Okay, Abdullahi Ray. Abdullahi, your response is coming in a little bit late. So we've dealt with that. Next word is sit. Ana m anụ ugbu a, kita nakwa ugbu a. Okay? Some people say kita. Some people say ugbu a. Yeah? Some people say kita. But ugbu a is fine. Okay? Now, we're talking about sit. Oh, see, which is say. Say. I didn't say see. I didn't say. I said see. See, talking to Igbo, I'm challenging you to get it right. You've not gotten it right. It's see. Okay, Ben has done that. Ben has got that right. It's see. See. Okay? See is not say. E is e in Igbo. So it's not say. Talking to Igbo is see. See. So Ben has got that right. That is the word. See. Okay? That is like say. Gare afia ubua. Okay. Dr. Blahi. Okay. Afia. Some people call it afia. Some call it ahia. But ahia is the general central Igbo. But some will call it afia. Okay. Onitsha people will say afia and some other people like that. Okay. Even in my own local dialect is afia. Okay. I even call it avia in my own. It's V I use, not even F. Avia. In my own local dialect, but for centrality sake, it's ahia. Okay. Now we're talking about sit now, tell or say. Now the word sentence is si ya ga ulo akwụkwọ. Si ya ga ulo akwụkwọ. Si ya ga ulo akwụkwọ. Say to him or her, go to school. Ask him or her to go to school. Both are correct. Si ya ga ulo akwụkwọ. That is the sentence. Can you drop it now? Si ya ga ulo akwụkwọ. Say to him or her, go to school. Si ya, class captain doesn't want to leave this position today. Si ya ga ulo akwụkwọ. Great. Koki J. Si ya ga ulo akwụkwọ. Great. Daryl. Si ya ga ulo akwụkwọ. Great. That you're picking up seriously. But ulo, ga ulo akwụkwọ. That's great. That's great. Bembe, see ya ga, but yes, Dare, ga is double A. That's the only thing you missed. Ga ulo akwụkwọ. Great. Okay. Dare akwụkwọ. Okay, you're correcting yourself. Igbo correcting yourself. See ya ga ulo akwụkwọ. Egwekwe ulo akwụkwọ is not is a compound word. You can join it with a hyphen, but you don't join it together like that as a single word. It's not ulo akwụkwọ. It's house for book, house for school. Okay, so you either join it together with a hyphen or you separate it as ulo akwụkwọ. I'm talking to Ben and then egwekwe also. That's those way you wrote ulo akwụkwọ is not correct. Okay, we've done that. We're going to the next one, sie, which is cook. Sie, cook. Sie, cook. What is the word? Drop it for me. Drop the word for me. Okay, that's it. That's it. Sie. Okay, class captain had dropped. Ben had dropped. Sie, cook. Sie, cook. Who else is dropping that? Sie, cook. Daria, you are great. Sie, cook. Egwekwe, thank you for understanding. Koki J, Sie, cook. That's great. Okay, that's great. Ablahi, see, oh, Ablahi, your response is coming so late. I think your network over there is not really helping matters. Your response is coming so late. Sie, okay, we are past C already. While your answer is coming in now, we are in CA now. SIE rather, CA. These are all correct. CA cook. Okay, now let's have the sentence. Ga sienri ososo or season. Ga sienri oseso. Go cook food quickly. Ga sienri oseso. Go cook food quickly. Let me have the sentence. Let me have the sentence now. Ga sie nri oseso. Let me have the sentence. Class captain has dropped already, waiting for others. Ga sie nri oseso. Daria, you are here. Daria is really not giving space. It's challenging everybody. Ga sie nri oseso. Okay. Daria, nri is not uri, it's nri, N-R-I. N-R-I. Nri, talking to Daria now. Nri, N-R-I. Osiso is spelled O-S-I-S-O. That is Osiso. I'm talking to Daria. Okay, she's correcting herself. Nri, Osiso. Like your spirit, Daria. Yeah, Osiso is something you need to correct also. Is Osiso. O-S-I-S-O, not Osiso. Okay, you wrote Osiso. Koki J, Gasie. No, Koki J, I don't accept you. The CA is not correct. It's S-I-E, not S-I. Okay, Clement, and your Osiso is not correct. Talking to Koki J, you are past this stage already. You should know where to use O with dot under by now. Talking to that Koki J, Osiso, all of them must have dot under. Clement, Gasie, Osiso, correct. Okay, Gasie, Osiso. You've corrected yourself, Koki J. That's great. Dr. Bly, Siyaga Olakwukwo. Okay, that's great. We have already passed that. We are doing another thing now. You try. Egwekwe Gasie Osiso. Egwekwe, please install Igbo keyboard in your phone or computer. Go to language setting, go to keyboard, and then you look for Kwati Igbo. Choose it and select and install in your phone also or computer. That will give you opportunity to have the two keyboards toggle together in your keyboard, in phone keyboard. When you want to type any alphabet, you press it, it will give you other options. You now choose the one that have dot under as Igbo keyboard. Okay? That's talking to Igbo now. Clement Emehe Gasien Riosiso. That's great. Okay, Daria Osiso, Bemben Ga or JCN Riosiso. Both are correct. Either J or Ga. Both are correct. Abdullah is not Sie, is Sie, S-I-E, Sie, cook. And the word is Gasienri Osiso. That is the word. Now we are through with that. We are going to the next. How long am I going to do this again? Okay, I think I have 4 more minutes to go. We're ending this in the next 4 minutes, which is 1 hour, 15 minutes. Or what do you think? If you think we should go to 1 hour, 30 minutes, let me know. But I want to end in the next 4 minutes. But if you think we should push it to next Is that 15 minutes? Let me know. Okay. Ga or ga, both are correct. Depends on how you are using it. Ga or ga, double A or one A. Okay. We're talking about sacha now. That's the next word. Sacha, sacha, wash, wash. Sacha. Let me have the word. Sacha. Okay. Sacha. Let me have the word. Sacha. Sacha. Okay. Okay, that's great. Okay, but Clement got it right this time around. Not it's double A. Sacha. Ablahi, you tried. Garcia Henry also saw is very correct. You got it. Ablahi, thank you. Even though you came in late, but that's correct. Sacha is double A. Dare is double A. Sacha is double A. Dare. Koki J, that's right. Bembe, that's right. Okay. Sobano, I am in England. I've been here before. Kedu Kimere. Yeah, I know Sobano. I know you have been here before. I also remember you bought our books. I think so. I remember. Yeah, I know you are from England. I know you have bought our books. Yeah. Quote me right if I'm right. I think you have bought some of our books. Yeah, I know. So please, Sacha is correct. Egwekwe, you are right. Okay, now let's take the sentence. Sacha afere dị na usekwu. Sacha afere dị n'ụsọ ekwu. Sacha afere dị n'ụsọ ekwu. Wash the plate in the kitchen. Sacha afere dị n'ụsọ ekwu. Ụsọ ekwu is kitchen. Wash the plate in the kitchen. Sacha afere dị n'ụsọ ekwu. Let me have the sentence. Okay, let me have the sentence. Let me have the sentence. Shiva Nod, I was saying you have bought our book before. I hope I'm right. If I'm right, you say yes. If you have not bought before, prepare to buy today after this live session. Talking to Shiva Nod. Shivon, no, yeah. Please, I just said that. If you have not bought it before, get ready to buy after this live session, right? Okay. Sacha afere de no so useku. Okay, it's right. Okay, it's actually uso eku, USO with dot under, then eku separate. Uso eku. Koki J, sacha afere dị n'ụsọ, not ọsọ, but ụsọ, USO, U with dot under, O with dot under. Talking to Koki J, good effort. Egwe, sacha afere dị n'ụsọ ekwu. Okay, that's a great effort, but ụsọ ekwu are not joined together that way, separate it, or you use hyphen to join it together. Darrell, sacha afere dị na, you didn't complete the sentence. Ọsọ ekwu, okay, you brought the second part under. It's not also, but uso, USO, dot under U, dot under O, uso eku. That's great. Bembe, sacha fere de no uso eku. Uso, that's not correct. Your uso is not complete. Uso is USO, then eku. Okay. Sacha fere de no. So Clement, no, did na uso eku. So Clement, the first N-O, you put N-O, you put. It's not supposed to be there. So it should be N-A or N with comma on top. Sacha fere de no seku. Okay. Dare useku. That's correct. Okay. I think we're almost running up today. Nobody said we should extend this thing to 30 minutes, to the next 20 minutes. So I'm assuming we all agreed we should round up with this 1 hour, 15 minutes, because nobody asked me to move on to next 30 minutes. Jenem, you're just coming in now. Okay, Jenem, I said I should give more 15 minutes because you are just joining now, Jen M. Okay, that's why you are just extending my time. You are going to pay fine, Jenem. In fact, after the end of this live session, you must buy books from the bookshop. That is the fine you have to pay. Talking to Jen M. You must click the description box of this live session when it's uploaded after this session. and you go through the description box, you will see the link to our bookshop. You will have to click on the link to go to our bookshop and buy our books, as many as possible. Talking to JNM, if you don't buy the book today, next time I'm going to discipline you. You are coming late now, you're asking me to go for another 15 minutes. I will do that, but the condition is that you must buy our books today. Okay, you have accepted. So I go on now. JNM have accepted to buy books today. So I'm also talking to Igwe. That's how to get the books. At the end of this live session, this video will be uploaded automatically. Click the description box of this particular video. You will see a link to our bookshop, e-book shop. Click the link, it will take you to our shop. You have about 8 books there. Select as many as you want. Click buy, download, pay, and it becomes yours automatically. You can now open it, download the audio file in it, listen to the audio while you go through the book. It's interesting. So you don't need to, the teachers, it will always be with you every time, talking to you while you're looking at the book every time. That's a permanent lifetime access. You don't need to buy again or download again. So that's fine. So they say I should go on. So because you asked me to go on and they have accepted to buy books like Gen M, I'm going to take this lesson to conclude all the verbs I have now remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 verbs remaining to complete the 100 verbs. Remember, all these verbs and all the sentences, we have a book for that. 100 verbs and the sentences with them in Igbo. A book for that is also in the bookshop. For all of them, 100 Igbo verbs and sentences, they are in the bookshop also. So you can access them there and go through them. But I go on now. Now, the next word is swore ude. Swore ude, mourn. Mourn. Swore ude. Give me the word. Swore ude, mourn. Either for pleasure or for pain. Swore ude is a compound word. Give me the word. I'm waiting. Swore ude. Swore ude. Give me the word. I'm waiting. Mourn. Swore ude. Who is giving me the word now? I am waiting. I hope network is not holding you back. Swore ude, mourn is a compound word. 2 words joined together. Swore ude. Okay, dare, swore ude. That's great. That's great. Dare, I'm impressed. But you join it together with a hyphen. Dare, next time. Okay, swore ude. It's okay. Swore ude, that's correct. Clement. Dare also is correct. Sorry, I need to leave now. Thanks so much. Okay, Igbo, need to leave now for other engagement. That's fine. You joined early enough, so I release you to leave. So Bembe says Suoude. That's great. Okay, these words are correct. I'm going to move a little bit faster because I don't want to extend beyond the next 10 minutes. So I'll give 1 minute for each one. Now the sentence is Anam asu ude, I am mourning. Anam asu ude, I am mourning. Anam asu ude, I am mourning. Give me the sentence. Anam asu ude. Anam asu ude, I am mourning. Okay, who is giving me the sentence? Our class captain has gone. Who is replacing her now? Is it Ben Ben or who want to take over the class captainship? I will see by your response. I'm going to choose another class captain by your response. Let me know who is going to do that. Anam asu ude. Egwekwe. Anam asu ude. Let Egwekwe not take over the class captainship for the first time. She's just joining our class today. It will not be good if she takes over the class captainship for the first time in joining our class. So Bembe and the rest of you, don't let him take over this leadership. Okay, Clement, don't let that happen because if we want to take over the class captainship, our class captain has gone. So please don't let that happen. Clement, Anamasu Ude, Anamasu Ude. Good effort, good effort. Okay, okay, that's good effort. But he has to be Asu Ude. He's not joined together this time around. Okay, he's not joined together. Okay, Anam Asu Dare, Anam Asu Ude. Okay, that's a good effort. Asu Ude. Okay, but not as God is now. back. All right, I'm back. Thank God I'm back. But if you want to be exactly the way I say swaude, we can say swaude bua. Mon now. Swaude bua. Swaude down. That is mon. Swaude. Mon. Swaude. The word tinye. Tinye. Gen M, you have to be responding because it's because of you. I'm still here. Tinye and the rest of you that are still that ask me to move on. Now, tinye, tinye, put inside or put it or put into. Tinye, tinye, into the bag. Iwe, the connection is bad. Yeah, I can also feel it here. The network is fluctuating. I can feel it also. Okay. I repeat again. Can I said, tinye aka n'ime akpa. Put hand in the bag. Please indicate if you heard what I said. I just want to hear a response. I want to hear your response. Network has stopped us. Okay, okay. I'm hearing, but network is bad. Yeah, really, really bad. Tinya Kanima. Okay, I think we are back. Can you hear me now? Yes, I can also feel it here. The network is not going on well at all. I do hope I still have data anyway myself. I still have. it. If you are seeing me, we need to get a response. Otherwise, we need to stop because network seems not to accept. We should continue. Are you hearing me? If not,